Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Lamona oven, and if you'll excuse the fact that it's really filthy, I might show you something interesting. If you need to get this glass off here inside, either because it's broken or because you want to clean it, or sometimes like sauce will go in here and you want to take it all apart to clean it, this one's really easy. So this model is a Lamona LAM3208. I think Lamona is a brand that's sold with pre-made kitchens, but anyways, for the point of view of this, it's kind of irrelevant. Sometimes these things have clips up on top, but this one has a plastic trim the whole way around. So it's really easy. You just have these two clips in the bottom, snap that one down, snap that one down, lift the glass up, and it slides out. And then you can take it out, and be careful because the bottom now has no weight on it, so it'll just jump up. But you can clean in between them. The other thing is if the handle becomes loose, you'll need to get to a screw in here where that hole is, just at my fingertip. The bit that holds on the handle on the front. So to put it back together again, put it into position up to the top and close them until they snap. And it really is as easy as that. That's a filthy oven. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.